hello programmer, welcome back to our today new tutorial series. So today here I'm create is a MySQL tutorial series. Okay. So today here I'm create is a not null constant in the MySQL, and it's a powerful feature for ensuring data integrity in your database. Okay. So first of all here I'm simply just explain for the MySQL not null constant. Okay. So in this, the constant is MySQL used to specify that a column cannot contain null values, and this ensure that its record must have a value for the column. Okay. So first of all, here I am create already the new table for here the task, and here I am create for total is a 4 columns. So first is the ID. It's saying choose at the primary key, and next is if I create the title, then here I'm apply for the not null constant, and also for here the start date and the both for the not null constant. Okay. And in this, so here is a just introduction, and basically here I am create for is a table, and here in this the task table explicit defined for here is a title and start date column with not null constant, and ID has a primary constant key, and therefore the implicit include for here is a not null constant. Okay. So now just here I am select and execute in this table data information. So first I'm select and execute, and you can see here this command is completely successful. Okay. So next step here I'm just insert. So first step here I'm check the current, this is a null value, and here the completely create for the verification message for this command is completely successful. Okay. And next step here I'm just insert. So now in this session I'm already create here. Here I'm insert for the sum row in the task table. So you want to record user to provide an estimated and date when is it creating for here the new task, and you can add the not null constant to the end date column of the task table. Okay. So here is a completely create, and now here I'm just use lastly define the null value. Okay, so you can understand. And next step here I'm define for the ID is a 1. Okay, and also here I'm create this is a ID of 2. Okay, so here is a completely just defined, and simply here I'm just perfectly create this table information, and now just I'm again check, and you can see here is a perfect now, and just I am select all and then execute, and just wait, and you can see here this is a 2 row is completely affected. Okay, so here is a create the confirmation message, and here is a completely create this table information. Okay, and now I'm just find out for the row with the nulls in the column for end date using for is null operator. Okay. So here I'm just open for the another new query and just verify for into the task table. So first of all here I'm just type this is the select, then start from, and here I'm just type this is a task table. Okay. So define it perfectly, and here I'm then select and now perfectly execute, and you can see here is a completely filled. So first is the ID, then title, start date, and the end date, and here the date is completely create for the null constant. Okay, and now here I'm create using for the is null operator. Okay, so first of all here I'm create the same this statement, and then here I'm use the while clause. Okay, so while clause for just type for end underscore date. Okay, and here I'm type for this is null. Okay, and then here I'm just change and use for the all the capital word. Okay, so here is a completely used for the is null, and here I'm apply for the semicolon. Okay, so in this query is completely define this, and here I'm perfectly use the is null operator, and now just here I'm and check and verify. So first of all select and execute, and you can see here the query is returned for on row with null in the end column. Okay, and you can see here the perfectly is the end column is perfectly null, and here is the start date, and the ID2 is the title for check and update the not null constant to your database. Okay, so here is the completely great. And next is here I'm also great for the update the null value to non-null values, and in this case you can create a rule that sets the on week after here is a date start date when the end date is null. Okay, so here I'm just apply for the update statement. So here open the another new query, and first of all just type for this is a update for the task table, and next step here use the set statement. So now just type for here this is a set, and here I'm just type for the in underscore then type for here the date is equal to so start underscore date. Here I'm use for the plus operator for the 7. Okay, and now just here I'm type this is a while. Okay, so just perfectly it's called the while clause for, and then going the next step, and here I'm just type for this is a suppose like for the end date for is null. Okay, so now here is a completely create in this statement, and now just here I'm apply and just execute. So just select and execute, and you can see here the create the date is incompatible with the integer. Okay, so here is a directly for not defined for this statement, and here I am create for the another way. So now just going for again here. Okay, so now not now. So just going. So now just going here, and first of all here I'm change for in this the ID for is it 3, and next here I'm apply for the 4, and here I'm insert for the another update date. So first of all here I'm create is a 2024. Then here I'm apply for here is a 2 month for the age. Okay, so here is a completely click, and then select all, and now just execute, and you can see here the completely two row is affected, and then just I am again for select and execute this statement. So just here I'm simply remove, and here I'm create completely this semicolon, and then again this is not saved here, and first of all I'm select all and then execute now, and you can see here is a completely just change for and this, and here I'm for the new is a double column here inserted. Okay, it's a double row. So here in this session is completely done, and here I'm perfectly apply for the not null constant in this session. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a good day.